All right, y equals negative 2x cubed minus 4x to the negative third. And my job is to find, oh my goodness, the third derivative. Whew. All right, I can do this. Dy dx means the first derivative. And I'm going to use the power rule not once but twice. The power rule means I take my exponent, multiply it to whatever coefficient I have here, and subtract 1 from the exponent. So take the 3, multiply it to negative 2, negative 6. Take 3 and subtract 1, and x to the third becomes x squared. But I got to do it again. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Interesting. X to the negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. That's my first derivative. Now I have to take the derivative of that guy. So that's d squared y dx squared. I can write that out as y double prime if I want to, but I already wrote it out as that. Power rule again. Take 2, multiply it to negative 6 to gives me negative 12. Take x, leave it that way. 2 minus 1 is invisible 1, so I won't write 1 there. I know better. Negative 4, multiply that to positive 12 to give you negative 48. X to the negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So that's my second derivative. I had to find the third derivative. Y triple prime. So negative 12 times x, okay, drop down. Oh, there is no, well, technically there's an invisible exponent, so multiply negative 12 times 1, you get negative 12. 1, invisible 1 minus 1 is x to the 0th, which means x goes away. So remember, if you're taking the derivative of blah, 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 x, the x just goes away and you're left with blah, blah, blah. Okay? Okay. Negative 5 brought down and multiplied to negative 48 is going to be positive 240, I think. I'm pretty sure that looks about right to me. X to the negative 5th. Subtract 1 from negative 5. That gives you negative 6. And let me clean this up a bit and say negative 12 plus, whenever you have a negative exponent, move it to the other side of a fraction bar. You might be thinking, what fraction bar? Well, technically there's an over 1 here. So leave 240 on top, the numerator. Drop down x to the 6th on the bottom. That is your third derivative. The end, the answer, bada bing.